if y'all heard that, but exactly as those people were jaywalking, you heard from the bus the electronic recording going, "Do not cross in front of the bus." The fuck were they doing? Huh, and crossing directly in front of the bus. Some people get run the fuck over. Point blank range. Yeah, there's a new shooting range there. It's called Point Blank. Apparently it's really nice, but I think it's funny it's called Point Blank. Sounds like a shitty shooting range if all your shots are taken from point blank. Yeah, it's not really a shooting range, it's more of a hallway. And you just line up on one side of the hallway and shoot targets on the other side. It's good fun. Cruising on to 250. Oh shit. Check out that leprechaun hairdo. Oh my god. It is St. Patrick's Day, by the way. I have a very nice green icon jacket that I'm not wearing because it was too damn cold this morning. God, it's so beautiful. Days like today when I leave the office to go run errands during lunchtime makes me kind of want to not go back. Like, how do I get a gig where I don't have to go to work ever and I just make money? How do I do that? The lottery. You know the other word for the other thing the lottery is called? It's called the idiot tax, because you're probably not going to win. You're just kind of giving money to the government because you feel like it, on the off chance that you might win. Not that you're an idiot for playing the lottery. I know everybody plays because there's a slight chance you could win $1 bazillion and never have to work again, but it's probably not going to happen. They say it is more likely for you to date a supermodel than it is for you to win the lottery. Like, there are more people that date supermodels than win the lottery. But I think that statistic is skewed, because if you've won the lottery, I think the chances of you dating a supermodel just went up drastically. Oh shit, I'm speeding. Just kidding, I'm going the speed limit. Speed limit's 65 on this road, I promise. This is worse than getting there in the morning. Wow, the bow ties are out. You know, it's really funny. I don't even remember if I turned my camera on or not. What is the deal? I'm about to sidewalk this bitch. What the hell is going on here? I've never seen this backed up this much. This is crazy. It's crazy. On the phone. That's cool, man. Just text. You're not trying to get anywhere. No big deal. See if we can get Textin' McGee up next to me again. Yeah, keep it going. Keep it going. You're not going anywhere. Yeah, just keep texting. It's cool. I'm sure you won't rear end anybody. Probably should go do a U-turn because that shit's not going to work out. Welcome to America. Come do your taxes. Statue of Liberty is advertising tax services. If that's not just a little bit ironic, I don't know what is. Come here for liberty from everything but taxes. Do your damn taxes. Triucu. I don't get it. I hate vanity tags. Triucu. What the fuck? What is the holdup here? Oh, there's some sort of issue. fucking go if you're gonna go. Do you need help, like, pushing your car into the gas station or something?
That would help, man. Just so I can get
It's an eventful lunch ride. A little bit of vibration. I need to get weighted bar ends. Apparently that helps. If you start getting some shakes, you get a little bit heavier bar ends. That'll take care of it. I believe that. I've done a vibration analysis, and you know what? When you add weight to shit, it stops vibrating. Gets you out of that resonant frequency. Oh, drop some knowledge on your punk ass. Oh, this is gonna suck, because he is never gonna get it. Ah, fuck, I'm hot. I don't want to do this anymore. You ain't gonna make it. Make up your mind, lady? Jesus. You gonna cut me off or not? Oh, Jesus, it's so windy. Alright, those trees fucking stink. If you could smell them, you'd know. They smell like shit. Yeah, they look so nice. They just smell terrible. I don't get it. I'm not a tree. Motherfucker. Not a tree. Fuck geese. I hate geese. Walking around the parking lot like he's the shit. Fucking goose. Should go over there and kick him in the face. Oh, that's why, because they've got a damn nest in the middle of the fucking parking lot. I bet they attack people. That goose should die. Everybody hates those motherfuckers. Or they don't hate them, they freaking feed them. I hate that shit. Okay, I'll go ahead and rant on geese. I seriously dislike geese. They're basically rats with wings. They're called Canadian geese. But those fuckers do not fly to Canada. They live here year round. See, there's a family full of people enjoying them, thinking they're watching fucking nature. But they're rats. They're disgusting. They poop everywhere. They spread diseases. And they fucking attack people. Yeah. They're probably gonna get out there and like try to give it some bread and get their fucking eyes pecked out. Yeah, I really dislike geese. They're actually protected under federal law. If you tamper with a nest or kill one of the birds out of season, it is a federal crime with a humongous penalty. This guy is probably gonna fucking run into me. Should have thought of that earlier. I know that was kind of a dick move to not let him in, but like seriously, there's 3 lanes of traffic. Freaking get in the one you need to be in to get where you're going, so you don't have to pull shit like that and get in everybody's fucking way. I don't get it. Like, you know you need to turn left in 3 blocks or whatever. Why don't you go ahead and get the hell over in the left lane? Or you know you need to turn right like this person. And then they wait until literally it's basically too late. Like, it's time to go take the next right and wiggle your way through to get where you need to go. And not pull shit like that. I'll have to check the video. It might not show up. I don't know. I think she had a phone in her hand. I'm telling you, every day that fucking taco stand tempts me. Even though I know for sure I'd be shitting sideways for a fucking... What the fuck is up with that kid's pants? Really? Like, the fuck is up with that kid's pants? I was gonna talk about this delicious taco stand that there's no way it has a 97.5 health score, but then there's this guy who has pants. You can't even call that pants. It's like a skirt, kind of. Maybe it's, what the fuck? They're like tight pants, but they're rolled. What the fuck are kids wearing these days? Like, and we're kind of in a bad part of town. If he's up to no good, how the fuck do you run away from the cops and that shit? It looks like he's wearing a dirty diaper. I don't even... Like, what the fuck? What the fuck is this guy wearing? I don't... It's a dirty diaper. It's gotta be. Oh, Jesus. Maybe he ate at that taco stand and now his pants are full of shit. If you wear your pants like that, you're a fucking idiot. Oh, God. Fucking move. Oh, man, the harpoons. Holy shit. That's like... It was like looking into the sun. Like, I didn't want to look, but I kind of wanted to look a little bit longer. Oh, shit. Yeah, that shit's like looking into the sun. Eat like you mean it. Hardee's, that is the worst slogan ever. Eat. And I've got wet shit under my feet. Damn, what the fuck is that? Whatever it is, it sucks. Oh, son of a bitch. Now my foot's fucking sticky. Hopefully that fixes it. I just put my foot down while I was riding. Probably not the safest thing to do, but it's still fucking sticky though. Shit. Yeah, my foot's like sticking to the peg. Oh, that's gross.